deploying catheter is senior, it has an actuator at the proximal end which is pushed forward to deploy the valve. The distal end has two marks, a proximal and distal, to determine the length of the valve you will use, and it also has phalanges or sizing gauges. You want the large ones to make contact with the smaller ones not to make contact when you're determining the size of the valve. The loading system is senior. The ends are held and pulled apart after you take the pushing device off. When you pull it apart gently until the monofilament detaches completely. There is a funnel cartridge which is spring-loaded and pulled back, and the deploying catheter placed in the groove. Once this is done, the pusher is placed in its hole and it is pushed into the loading device until it fits snugly to push the valve into the deploying catheter. Here you can see the valve at the end of the deploying catheter. Zephyr has a system where you should partially deploy the valve, push it up against a carina, and then deploy the rest, as the anchorage is done mainly at the shoulders. There are two sizes of valves, 4 and 5.5. They cover lengths of 4 to 7 mm and 5.5 to 8.5 mm respectively, and the two lengths are the LP and the regular.